Bonjour les amis, hello everyone, I hope that you are doing well. So today I want to show you this here, which is called permis de construire. Permis de construire. Permis, it means allowed to do something. Permission, in English we say permission, you know. Permis de construire, it means you are allowed to build something. Then it's always the same. You know, when you want to build something in the city in France, you need to submit your project to the city hall and ask them. For instance, you have a big garden, you want to build over the garden, you ask them, can I build over the garden? You want to repair the roof, change the roof, you need to ask them. You want like to do like this big project and destroy all the building, the old building, and build a very big one, you need to ask. And then the city hall will tell you, okay, you can do it. And usually, of course, and there is a lot of corruption, like, okay, I give you le permis de construire, but in exchange, you vote for me, huh? You know I'm a good guy. Or I give you permis de construire, but you have to use my own, this kind of company or this kind of stuff. There's a big lobby, and that's why. But everybody wins. Everybody wins. The the people who are the owner, they win because they can build a bigger place, and then okay. So here what they say, donc the beneficiaire is the name of the guy who benefits from it, who win from it, who is the guy. Okay. They say nature des travaux. So they say what are the works. The type of works, nature des travaux. Surélévation d'un bâtiment à usage d'habitation de R+2, de rez-de-chaussée +2 à R+4. Destruction du toit existant au R+2, végétalisation partielle de la toiture, création d'un édicule d'accès, suppression pergola. Okay, so there is all the description. I'm not going to get into detail with you. They want to make the building surélévation is the main point. They want to make it higher, you know. They want to make it higher, and why? Is to gain some space for there are two apartment buildings that will gain higher, higher roof. So they destroy the roof, destruction du toit, destroy the roof, the existing roof, and instead of it they will put something else, maybe the rooftop with trees, or I'm not sure exactly, végétalisation. And then you say the superficie, it means it's very important, the superficie, you know, superficie du terrain, 233 mètres carrés. Superficie du plancher, it means on the floor, how many square meters, hauteur du sol, and how high is it from the roof. Okay, this building is 15 meters high, okay, so we'll make it 15 meters high. Then they have the permis de construire. Permis de construire is the permission to build, you know, and this is you know, permis de construire, and they give you the number. So if you want, you can go to the city hall with this number and you can look into more details. They must publish this, they must put it in front, because if someone see it, the public can always say, no, I disagree with this, or there's this issue, or I'm here, I have also have this. That's why it's based on the law, it should be public, the same as the wedding, the same as, you know, they publish it and they will put it here. And then there's the name of the guy who is doing it, architect, so there's the name of the architect who is doing it, and that's it. Un dossier à consulter en mairie, you see, that's what I told you. So you can go to mairie de Paris, 75 18 so you go to this city hall, you know, in Paris. So there are several city halls in Paris, and you ask them with the name, okay, with the number, and then you can check the file, and maybe if you can say something if you disagree, but I'm not sure. Usually that's what the lawyer will do. If they say something, they can really contest it. Yes, and that's what I want to explain to you. Let me leave you for now. À bientôt les amis. Au revoir. À bientôt.